Hi and welcome in another video. This time it's a little different because I get some parts for GPU test videos. So finally I won't have to disassemble my main PC to record a new video. First let's take a closer look at the parts I choose, and then we will proceed to the assembling process. First thing is a MSI Z390-A PRO motherboard. The motherboard have two full-length PCIe 3.0 slots, MSI steel slot coated running at X16, second full-length slot operating at X4, and 4 PCIe 3.0 X1 slots. Storage options are pretty basic. I have only one M.2 slot and 6 SATA ports. The board have 4 RAM slots with support for DDR4 4400 with a maximum capacity of 64 GB. Rear panel connections are USB 3.1 Generation 2 Type A and Type C. Another 2 Type A but Generation 1 and 2 USB 2.0 ports. A total of 6 3.5mm audio jacks are powered by Realtek ALC 892HD and a single LAN port controlled by an Intel i219V gigabit networking chip. The Z390-A PRO also includes a PS2 port, D-sub video output, and a display port and DVI-D output. The retail price for this board is about $125 US. Intel Core i7-9700K is an 8-core, 8-threads CPU with a base frequency of 3.6 GHz and turbo frequency of 4.9 GHz. There's also 12 MB of L3 cache, integrated graphics UHD 630, and it have a nice overclocking capabilities. The retail price for this CPU is about $380. Next I have 32 GB of G.Skill Trident Z memory. It's a dual channel DDR4 3200 MHz kit with nice latency, which is 16, 18, 18, 38 and Intel XMP 2.0 support. The retail price for this memory is about $145 US. For storage I choose Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 SSD. It's a 1TB model based on a Samsung Phoenix controller with nice 3500 MB per second sequential read and 3300 MB per second sequential write. The retail price for this drive is about $215 US. And the last part is this huge Noctua NH-D15 CPU cooler. I'm not gonna talk about this now cause there will be a separate video about it. The retail price for this cooler is about $90 US. Okay, so that's everything. Now I will update BIOS and set it correctly, and then I will install operating system, all drivers, updates, and of course some games for future tests. Let me know in comments section if you will have any questions about those parts or suggestions for games that I should include in future tests. And of course, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this, and leave a thumbs up if you liked it.